how to play music simultaneously on multiple phones. So if you want to play music simultaneously on multiple phones, then you just need to simply open up your Spotify, which is the best application for playing simultaneously on multiple phones. Once you open up your Spotify, you just need to simply go with the song, any song that you're comfortable with, and go with the bottom left, which has that devices option. Tap on it, and here you will have the option of start a remote group session. You just need to simply tap on it, and once you tap on the remote group session, then you'll be able to create a group session. You can simply share it on your WhatsApp, Instagram messages, or Messenger messages, Facebook, and everything, and you can call your friends. But if you don't have that option right here, then the other way is you can simply go with the upper left, which has that profile option. Tap on settings and privacy, and then scroll down. And here you need to go with privacy and social. And here you will have jam option. Just tap on activate, which is on the right side. Allow the Bluetooth, and then access to find and contact or connect with the nearby devices so you can enjoy music with others. So that's how you can play music simultaneously on multiple phones. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.